one thing about it is that we can't really concentrate on facilities. We have to do what we can, and our job is just to continue to practice, train hard, and get ready for this CBC. It has been good so far. Well, it was really hectic, tiring, you know. Sometimes we come straight from netball training straight to basketball training, but as I said before, the coaches, they work together and they manage us so that we won't be overworked.
It's been great practicing with everybody. You know, we have a new team, so there's new faces, some old faces that I've seen before. But I think as a whole, it's been a great experience to come down here and, you know, see some more youthful players coming up through the ranks and helping us with the national team. I think we have a very good shot. We have, you know, some height this year, so that's actually kind of nice change to have. But I think talent-wise, we'll be right up there with competing for the top spot.